memory development program. Okay, memory development program. The vitamin you need is thiamine, major thiamine and phosphorus. This thiamine is vitamin D1. D1 is called thiamine. Okay, vitamin D1 is called thiamine. Vitamin D1 is called thiamine. Okay, vitamin D1 is called thiamine. How is this vitamin D formed?
Sunlight.
Huh?
Sunlight. In your skin.
Sunlight is falling on everything.
Yeah, but sunlight reflecting in your skin.
Sunlight, when it falls on the skin, you have to expose the skin on sunlight, not even fraction. Refraction will also cause this. Not even direct sunlight. If it is not tolerable for you, then even refraction is working. Sunlight joins with the fat under your skin. Under your skin there is a fat deposit. Under your skin there is a fat deposit. The fat deposit will be more for Europeans and other persons and for
Because
North
they're from the
India
north. Yeah.
to bear the cold.
Yeah.
Cold. In South India, actually, the fat deposit is less because already you have to have no need of resistance to coldness, and a small layer will be there. But when you expose your skin, so walking in the skin, you have to wear mere dress. This exposure should be more. And then this fat in conjunction with the sunlight will prepare this vitamin D. And vitamin D1 is essential for memory. And D3 is essential for bone strength and immunity development. So, sunbathing is very, very important. But South Indian people, they don't know this. Because already hot, why should we take sunbath like that? If cholesterol level is increased in your blood, if you stay in sunlight continuously for 4 hours into 4 days, cholesterol will come down. That minimum 4 hours. Normally, you have to expose your skin to half an hour. Normally for D1 and D3, all these things, it is sufficient you expose your skin to sunlight, half an hour. But if you want to control cholesterol, if you stand for continuously for 4 hours, then cholesterol level will be reduced. Heart will be strengthened, bone muscles, everything will be strengthened. So what happens when you stay in the sunlight, the D1 will be created. And the D1 will be created, the D1 will be processed, it will be sent to liver for activation. The D1 directly received will not be absorbed into blood directly. It will be sent to liver first, and it filters and activates it at the level 1. That is level 1. After that, it is sent to kidney, and there only the full activation and everything is made, because the vitamins should be made into size. Because you see the small size. Then only it will pass through blood vessels and all these things. There is customized all these things, and then it is sent to bloodstream.
Is that why Manipura is associated with the sun? One of the reasons?
Yes.
Because liver, kidneys,
Yeah.
right here.
Then in the same way, what the food you digest, actually before going to bloodstream, it is passed through this, what we call this spleen. It purifies, and if germs are there, it destroys. Then only it is sent to heart for joining the main bloodstream. And there this shaping also happens. Some this red blood corpuscles out of size must be stuck up in the blood vessel. So they have a small size, round, it makes like this. So the vitamin D now enters into your bloodstream. Then it takes for help parathyroid. in conjunction with the parathyroid, it takes strength. Okay, so parathyroid will lend more power for vitamin D. With that, it will be more powerful. And the D1 now is activating your brain. Okay, so what is brain, how it works? What is brain and how it works? Brain is having two parts, okay, two hemispheres, and memory, this language learning skill, different things, everything. Memory is the base. Language learning or skill development, driving, this is a skill. That also needs memory, because when you drive a car, you started learning, you will do like this. Finally, you get steady. And after that, you just don't care, you sit in the and start driving, because it becomes a default setting.
Yeah.
The starting stage, it is there, and it becomes a default setting. After default setting, no need of you just you're talking to your friend, you will go and on that way you will watch all these things. Naturally default it is setting. In the same way, the memory power is making grooves into your cells, gray cells. Making grooves into your gray cells. Just like the tap, previously the tap was there, the tap recorder, the grooves, just a record.
Yeah.
Likewise, it is made on the cells. The brain cells, the ordinary cells are pure white. And the brain cells are having white and grey cells. So they are actually master cells. The same master cells are also present in your spine. So actually, spine is an extension of your brain. Spine is an extension of brain. You see the tail of monkey or tail of animals, what is the extension of backbone?
Yeah.
Extension of backbone. Okay, so in this way, so this grey matter should preserve these things, and it will give you preserve as memory. But here he says, I am not able to concentrate on my lessons. He is telling, he is learning, and what are you learning? What do you learn? Study now? Computer. He says, what is, I am not memory. Even children, I don't memory. But you ask from a serial, they will tell correctly. That name of actress, which color dress she put during that scene, she will. Why? Lack of interest, lack of involvement.
Yeah.
Lack of involvement and lack of interest. Involvement, when the involvement is more, the groove is deeper. The involvement is more, the groove is deeper. When the involvement is less the groove, depth of the groove. So what happens, this is there. When new cells form, small grooves will be gone. Only deeper smells groove will stay. So that memory will, now he is not memorizing things for past 6 months, but he will be memorizing that teacher, which he pinched her like this. That is, he remembers. So it went deep into. So involvement, devotion to duty, involvement in work, initiative and drive. He is working for a company. His initiative is 50%. Suppose he is running a company of his own, his involvement will be 50%. And he employs some other person, his involvement is 50. He is the same person who is showing less interest, he will motivate others. So you don't do that because I have to pay, that you will ask the money, I have to receive the check. If you send that only, I will receive the check. Then his memory is awake now. Okay, right. Then now what are the other ingredients? Skin is producing vitamin D, okay, but you are not going to sunlight. You are not exposed to sunlight. Maximum you are going by car or something. The production is insufficient. Then how will you make up through food.
Yeah.
So through food you have to take thiamine rich food. What are the food rich in thiamine and phosphorus?
Leafy greens.
Eh?
Leafy greens.
The first one is what we call this pork. Pork is having the richest thiamine, pork. But people have because I should not say, this Sami is pork. How is your memory power? Do you take pork? People are ready to ask. It is there, the pork is having thiamine
Yeah.
maximum. Then this the fish which is having a lot of thiamine is this tuna.
Okay.
Tuna is having a lot of thiamine. And for this vegetable millet, millet is having a lot of this memory power millet. Millet you can use powder along with dosa flour you can add and take as dosa. That will improve. That is very easy and vegetarian.
Yeah.
So millet use. Nobody, are you using millet? No, there is a problem. Nobody is using millet. Nobody is using millet. But pork, they are sometimes they may take other. But tuna is available. They are coming from the coastal area.
Yeah.
There's a column, international beach resort. They are getting tuna, but even the fisherman sends it to, because they will get lot of money.
Yeah.
They are not taking. The richest seafood is sold by India for foreign exchange.
Yeah.
It is having 130 crore people here. They are selling very good this is prawn and all this European, where the country this population is very less.
Mm.
For foreign exchange, the government is also subsidizing for the purpose of, that is a worst condition in India. Because even if you have money, you cannot buy best quality.
Yeah.
This was sent as export.
Yeah.
So my advice is at least some 30% should be sold in the local market for the local people. So these are the memory development food items. You can take food, and if it is not you are not able to do even tablets and all these things these are there. But the major thing is involvement, initiative and drive. Initiative and drive will come when you activate more areas in your brain. Your brain now only 1/3 area is working. Why 1/3 area is working means that is sufficient. Because just like a monkey, you are doing the same thing. You are going, you see, now in YouTube, so monkey, they take food, they also dress, they do all these things. Even in America, they are using these apes for flight. Flight they are keeping. If in the world war, if it comes between China and Europe, they will drop through using this monkey. And for putting bomb, they have trained a dolphin also.
Yeah.
And so these things are happening. So man's brain is underutilized. It is having infinite power. If we activate more areas, some mudras are there in the practical. That is, though Jyoti Tradaka already you can do. Then this one, then tip of nose, and some mudras. Along with that, we are going to see in the practical session. But through this practical, what are you going to gain? What are you going to more? 30% because 35%. Oh, then he is 35%. Then in about 40%. Then 50% it is activated. All talents from him will come out. Because the talents and the knowledge occupied, you learned from the previous birth is set in your brain.
Mm.
There the people are calling us what we call this fate. The Indians call fate. Fate is in the insert program carried over by the previous birth. You are wondering like this. You are thinking you are initiated. Previous birth others you to come to India. Nobody can come to India. The Indian land is having a very good vibration. It's a punya bhumi. It's a karma bhumi. Even when the flight comes, the farmers will feel it in their blood. But this is because of the default is because of previous karma. Okay, previous karma is default in your brain, and it carries over.
Yeah.
So, in Tirukural, it's a Tamil it's a book written by Siddha Thiruvalar. He says, Orumaikul Thankatta Kalvi Uruvarku Elumayum Yema Pudaitu. Whether learning or you got in one birth will be carried over up to 7 births. Not only learning. He was focusing on learning, he told. Not only the karma also. So this is proved again and again. Mandalin Srinivasan. And as a small boy, some 40 years back, when he took mandolin, he became a child prodigy. He asked people how you could perform. So when the teacher teaches me, I remember that I learned that.
Yeah.
So that is a reason why this child in Tamil Siddha tradition, the saint having 2 years, 3 years, started lisping the high level philosophy. Then he is explaining the first song, Tirunjana Sambandha. Person he did not go to school, he was taking bath in the Sirgali and went to temple, and Lord Shiva appeared to him, and the Parvati gave this milk, he drank, became enlightened. Then he says, தோடுடைய செவியன் விடையேறியோர் தூவன் மதிசூடி காடுடைய சுடலை பொடி பூசியன் உள்ளங்கவர்கள் ஏடுடைய மலரால் முனைநாள் பணிந்தே தருள் செய்தே. I worshipped him in my previous birth in Himalayas, applying these flowers and all this. Due to this, he granted this knowledge. So what happens is, knowledge is, it is coming, memory, everything is inset in you. Yeah. Inset in you. So brain areas, when you activate brain areas, Hakini Mudra, the tip of nose, there are many techniques you use this, the more and more areas will be activated. One thing. Then the instruments of Andakarana. What is Andakarana? All are you are using eyes, nose, ears, 5 senses. 5 senses, through 5 senses only you are observing and absorbing knowledge. But there is an insight, this Andakarana, internal instruments.
Okay.
Extrasensory perception comes there when the feeling comes when you perform some asanas, some yoga, meditation, you will get the extra ESP. But Andakarana means there 4 Siddha, Buddhi, Mana, Ahankara, embedded in the 4 these petals of Mooladhara. So when you activate this Mooladhara, Siddha, Buddhi, Mana and Ahankara, what happens? This energy will rise to your Brahmarandra. This secret is there in Siddha literature. The 4 petals present in the Mooladhara, if you activate Siddha, Buddhi and Buddhi, memory, Siddha and Manasa and Ahankara, memory is in the Ahankara. Memory power is in the Ahankara. Mind is taking you to do action, proactive. And brain is using, a brain is actually a computer, data processing unit. Data processing unit. But whether your likes and dislikes are handled by mind. Yeah. When you want to come to here, somebody wants to go to that negative action, that is decided mind. But whenever you go, there you will study with the, process the situation with the brain. Is it good? Yes, we can go to that ashram. Oh, Rishikesh, you are now in Rishikesh, what you will see? Oh, what ashram is good? You will see a attractive board and enter. So that is done by process, data process brain. But where to go to Rishikesh or Haridwar or Tamil Nadu, that is decided by mind. So pulling force is mind. Pulling force, that is represented by this chariot of Arjuna. Arjuna chariot is the horses are 5 senses, and it is pulling the mind, pulling out. And Atman is Arjuna, and he has to use the buddhi to bridle the flow of race of the horses. And behind this is Lord Krishna. Shiva is witness to all of you. If you come to any place, Shiva is witnessing. You cannot escape from the radar scanner of Shiva. You are thinking, I will lock the door very full. Nobody. He is looking, he is with you, always. So these are the things. When you activate Mooladhara, your Andakarana, instruments of all internal instruments, Andakarana. Anda means internal instruments. You will get extraordinary power. That Siddhas activated this and got knowledge. They did not go to school. They did not go to any university. How because when your eyes are wide open, when the ears are open, the entire universe is a university. You can learn. You see a dog, oh, what? You learn. A dog, okay. Then you have to observe minute. When you have minute observation, you become a successful anything. Okay. So memory power comes if you arouse your internal instruments, and if you take the energy to Brahmarandhra. In Brahmarandhra, there are 4 petals which are plain. You have to energize the 4 petals in Brahmarandhra with the energy present in the Mooladhara. As long as the energy is in Mooladhara, you will be an ordinary person. If you activate, stir up the energy and send it to Brahmarandhra 4 petals, they will be energized. Then your whole of brain will be activated. Whole brain activity will be there when it activates. The 12 cranial nerves are there. The 12 cranial nerves are represented by 12 petals of Andar Padma. There is one Padma called Andar Padma and Urtva Padma. And Andar Padma 12 petals are actually the 12 cranial nerves. And when the cranial nerves are gone, all memories will come. And memories of our past life will also come. So this is called Andar Padma for mid-brain activation. There are some mudras. Some mudras that will show to activate your pituitary gland separately for your hypothalamus, separately for pineal gland. And you will feel energy going up. When you activate all these energy centers in the brain will, spark will be over in a good manner. It will be there. It will be embedded. Okay? Your initiative, drive and involvement all should be there. There is also memory power. Now we can go to practical. Okay?
Question. Do you think the 4 petals in Brahmarandhra relate to the 4 lobes of the brain?
Actually, the 4 in Brahmarandhra, 4 petals, white in color, they are even the 2 inches length petal. 2 inches the petal, 2 inches, same size as that of Mooladhara. The Mooladhara is red in color. It is having Siddha Buddhimana. Now Brahmarandhra for ordinary person is plain. You have to activate it, sending this. When this Ahangara goes and present there, one becomes bright like a silver star. Then another mind goes, this another silver star. Then the 4 will become silver star like that. And when you make this, the Sadasiva will occupy there. Sadasiva and Manonmani, they will occupy. That is there. But here, biologically, you will get the midbrain activation. Now we are going to do some mudras to activate. Okay, mudras. Regarding mudras, people don't know mudras have the highest value. Mudras have the highest value because through asana and chakra activation, pranayama and meditation, vasi yoga, this yoga, that yoga, you are creating energy and filling your body. Actually, you are filling the astral body with the power. Since your physical body is inside the astral body, and that will also get that power.
Not the other way around.
Astral body, because this astral body is energized, and before for this, one should do some yama, niyama and asana to tone up your physical body. Astral body is full. Now you are, you know reality. I want to become a sannyasi, but your body are just this endocrine glands. Your glands pushes, oh right. Endocrine secretion modifies your life. If a Bhagavad Gita class is attended by 70-year-old man, 60-year-old man, 16-year-old man, what is the 70-year-old man will look like this. The Guruji, Bhagavad Gita, oh nice. This fellow will be. Yes, it is because of glands.
Yeah.
Glands secrete. When the figure eyes are loaded with this then it will go to your brain. Your gonad centers will be activated. Actually, erection is also connected in your brain.
Yeah.
Gonadotropin should come, and oxytocin and the gonadotropin form. When you see a beautiful girl, it starts functioning.
Yeah.
Then it gives signals to the gonad center in below your swadhisthana. Then all this comes.
Yeah.
So, when you are filled with this energy in the astral body, your physical body is giving resistance. For that only youngsters need asanas. You feel your body, oh, what way our glands are not, do asanas. Then the physical body will be toned up. The resistance given by the physical body will be reduced, and it will be transparent. And then when it is transparent, your energy built up in the astral body will reflect through your body system, through nervous system. The energy accumulated in the astral body enters into your physical body, the nervous system, and then only gets carried out into action. So asanas are needed for young persons. You are not able to control too much. They have to do asanas. Tone up. Then you pranayama. Pranayama, you are doing this pranayama, that pranayama. Before doing this pranayama, chakra activation is very, very important. People don't know. I am speaking about the leaders in the leading commercial Swamiji sir. I am senior to them in the age and all this. I let them as no chakra. After chakra activation only Sudarshana Kriya and all should be done. Because these chakras, 5 major chakras are taking energy upward, and the chakras are connected to main vayus. This Vyanan, then Samanan, Pranan and Udanan, their upward energy is connected to the 5 elements, but the Ubhavayus are connected. The Ubhavayus are connected with the lower chakras. The Ubhavayus are connected with the lower chakras. This Visuddhi is facing upward. The Grigaran is connected with this air and fire. So when he takes energy up, he says, I am feeling very, yes. This is my Manipura is activated.
Yeah.
Because one wire is coming here. One wire is another. So that he has to set right first, then only pranayama will work. Otherwise, pranayama, if you do pranayama, the energy may come down.
Yeah.
Then they will, the Swamijis they slip down on girls and go to jail. Because of the energy they try to lift, it is going down.
Yeah.
So this is a secret. Chakra activation is also important. Now we can go to practical. Always Jyoti Tradaha, regarding Jyoti Tradaha, you have to keep your lamp in parallel to your eyes, and the distance should be 5.5 feet. If you keep it near it, no result. If you give it a 7 feet, no result. If you, this is my research finding. When you keep it 5.5, you will see, oh, flame is coming big. Oh, I am able to see that face, this face. Why? When you keep it in the right direction, you are looking. When you are looking, your energy mixes with the flame. He is looking that flame, his energy is mixing, and that is and when you see your energy is connected. Your astral body is connected in the, then whatever there in your astral body will be displayed there. You will see, oh God, oh Shiva with 5 faces. Oh, because you have learned from Saiva Siddhanta literature, he is having 5 faces. Then you 5 faces, I am able to see 5 faces. But one person sees Shiva is having 6 faces. How it is? You are seeing 5 faces, Shiva is having 5 letters, 5 faces. You say, but that means he is 6 faces. Actually, he has learned more than you.
Because the
When you go
goddess is
deeper,
6 face.
he is having this face, this blue color neck is the under mugam.
Okay.
So 5 plus 1, 6. He is 6.
Yeah.
So whatever is loaded in your astral body, both karma and everything will reflect there. Then you can find, okay, this one, okay, You can adjust and remodel, modify your time, pattern, energy, and go forward. So this is very, face is the index of mind. Now the flame is the index of mind. Index of astral body. Through this you can correct. Okay. That will, when, what is the principle involved in flame gassing is, you see, now you are, it is a triangle. When you exert a force in a point from 2 points, then Lami's theorem, triangular law of force comes. When you press it, the same pressure will return as a resultant force, and it will activate your ajna, and then it, what is the importance of activating ajna means? In yoga, you are specific about 10 nadi channels. There are actually 96 nadi channels. But in yoga, for such this realization in yoga, you need 10 nadi channels. These 10 nadi channels are connected in ajna. This is a junction box. When you throw the energy there, the energy will flow all through the nadis and particularly Sushumna nadi. When it enters into Sushumna nadi, it goes to midbrain. So you keep on going, oh, somebody is going, some hand is going inside, some earthworm is going inside, some screw is going inside. Allow you to go. Don't fear, come back. Allow you to go. When it reaches 3.5 inches, then midbrain will be connected. 3.5 inches, then you will feel ecstasy, very good smell, flavor, taste. Then midbrain is here. When midbrain is activated, the 12 cranial nerves will be functioning well, and a coordination will be achieved.
Yep.
And then you concentrate, then it will travel to Brahmarandra. On the way, your pituitary gland, hypothalamus, and the pineal gland will be activated. When the pineal gland is activated, not only this, you will get insight, third eye is open.
Yeah.
And without reading, you can learn. Without reading, you can learn. You can then full memory power, everything will come. Divine guidance will come. So this is important. This is Jyoti Radhaga is one. Then this thumbnail. Thumbnail is more powerful than candle gazing. Because when the distance is less, the force is more. Okay? When the distance is less, force is more. It applies the, you think about hinges. Hinges. The more the length, distance you reduce, it is more powerful. The same way you reduce the same, you will get energy in the midbrain very fast. So again you are reducing the distance by tip of nose. When again this you see tip of nose, when you connect this and you say the distance is still reduced, and if you see it very constant, you will see a blue thread and a white thread coming from above touching your. You can see what thread is coming, touching. They are actually lunar energy. The energy in the blue color and white color. So the lunar, this tip is also called a lunar tip. So it will increase your memory power. Why it is increasing your memory power means Chandra energy means cool energy. Your brain should be cool. If your brain is cool, your memory power will increase. If your brain is hot, you will forget.
Yeah.
When you are angry, your brain is very hot. What do you know? You don't know what you are doing.
Yeah.
You will think, oh, what I did. So, cool brain, this Chandra energy when it applies, and this actually, this tip of nose is connected to Mooladhara. The energy will reach midbrain. So, this technique will help you. And in addition to this, in addition to looking at this, if you keep your hand like this, you will get more power. Okay, now one by one you can do. If you keep like this, you will more and more power will come. If you keep like this, then this is Hakini Mudra. Then if you keep like this, energy will come and push your hand like this. You will feel an energy ball in your hand. Previously, it was used for fighting. In Varma text it is there. If you create this energy ball, you will feel a ball. ball. Then you will say mantras of sun mantras also, sun energy will also, and they will throw it to the enemy. Oh, burning sensation, they will run. This is available in Veera Suktam. What I say is in Veera Suktam, Burma text, fighting text. There are 4 or 5 fighting texts I have traced, and it is mentioned there. But this rare art they are taught only for the general type, the king generals, because they did not give this knowledge to ordinary sipai.
That's Qigong does that too.
Yes,
Yeah.
energy ball plus they will add, this is your biomagnetic.
Yeah.
Then he will add this sun's energy and throw it to others.
Yep.
So it will then becomes a fireball. It will astral fireball. It will go and attack his astral body. He will run away. So these are things. It will improve memory. Then there are separate mudras. You see, if you keep like mudra like this for some time, then your pineal gland will be connected. If you do like this, then pituitary gland will be connected. If you do like this, hypothalamus will be connected. These are my findings. I traced it from Tirumandram. These mudras are references are in Tirumandram. But Tirumandram, I also read the Tirumandram. I could not find. You have to read for 50 times. Then what you can find. First reading you will not get.
Yeah.
First will be reading will be carried out by rhyming.
Yeah.
And then
Unless you read it
rhyming.
in English.
Rhyming. Then you will go interior.
Yeah.
Everything is there.
Yeah.
So, okay. Now we can go to a practical session. Okay. Okay. Right. Thank you.